of the chatbot that I created. I'll go into the nitty-gritty after I do a demo and go from there. So what I have here is a Slack channel dedicated to the chatbot. So it takes a message from here and then sends it to ngrok, which then passes it to my application that is running right here. And then it passes this to the say command in Mac. So looks like it's ready to go. I have a Slack application on my phone, and how it's set up is I have a JBL speaker and my phone, and my computer is connected to the internet somewhere. So all I really need to have in my hand are the phone and the speaker. So hopefully you can hear this okay. I'm going to send a message, and I can also send it in here. So I'm going to get an introduction message, and it says, well, let's see. It says it's not quite connected yet. Okay.
I really like people who use Apple products. They are cool. Anyways, would you like me to ask you some questions?
Alright, so I had some Bluetooth headphones and they're going through there. So basically it says, would you like to ask some questions? And then you say, sure. So I type in Q for the next question, and
what is your name?
It says, what's your name? I'm going to type this on my phone. My name is Robert.
What is your name?
Oh, oops. Name Robert. And then an answer. So answer that.
Hello, Robert.
Yeah.
I'm Mr. Mac. Nice to meet you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Mac. And then proceed to ask the next
What
question.
is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
That's a wonderful color. Robert, my favorite color is green.
All right. And then it goes on.
What movies do you like?
I don't know. Maybe I don't like movies. It has a negative response right
Well, I don't know how to respond to that. You're quite quick-witted, aren't you?
I guess so.
What kind of music do you like?
All sorts. Pop, hip-hop, rock, classical, techno. Yeah. And then that was a positive response, so I'm going to put a positive next to my
Really?
answer.
Robert, that's wonderful. I like a lot of those too.
Okay. And then it goes on for a bit. This is connecting to a database for sqlite, and it just goes on and on for questions. And then when I'm ready to end it, I type in good game, GG.
Well, that's all the time I have for today. It was nice to meet you, Robert. If you have any suggestions on how to make my programming better, please tell Robert when you can.
All right, great. So that's basically what it's all about. Let me get into the nitty-gritty details. So it's using app.py is where it's coming in, and has a big if-else statement here, big if-else statement here. It's using Flask, basic introductions. Here's where it gets the results from Slack, right here and here, and it just parses that as it comes in through the main area. And it has some getting questions. Questions are in a stack, and doing the game. And let's see. This is also game mode. Um, I sort of had it working when the last time I used this, but I could probably get it working if I needed to. Um, but it just basically asks questions and goes through different commands. Q is question. Um, and Q, there's an answer, and this is if it's a an is negative answer, and p is positive answer. So it's just going through and parsing out the string. And this is what it does with the resulting messages. Um, this one sends it out to uh, sends it out to subprocess, and it does that message into the command line. And this is what G button G does. And that is mostly what it's all about. I did have some repeating uh, uh, entries come in through Facebook and Smooch, and so I just tried to remove or set a limit to how many times a question could repeat in 60 seconds. Just sending a message to Slack. There's my key and everything. Um, if I were cleaning this up, I would hide that or take it out before I send it to GitHub. Send message to Facebook. That's using the Smooch API, and it has that long string. Again, I'd probably take that out if I was trying to be careful. And get emoticon was something I was trying to do to work with emoticons. Yeah, that's pretty much the bulk of it. I was also trying to get WebSockets to work, and I know I got them working at one point because of my, it just barely worked, and then I broke it, and I didn't do a get between those two times. So I'm just basically going with what works right now, and yeah. So things I could probably do better. I could probably add more messages because looking back at this, it's kind of like, whoa, a lot of stuff. So could probably clean up the folder a bit and go from there. Pretty sure I have, oh, there it is. This is uh, a SQL, a spreadsheet to SQL, and it takes the sheet and sends it to SQLite. So I was using that for putting in questions for my database. And yeah, I think that's it.